How would you say, I spent the night at a friend's house? Ich übernachte bei einem Freund. We say in German, bei einem Freund, at a friend. In German, this way we make it clear that it's at a friend's house and with him. So it's like saying at a friend's house, bei einem Freund, at a friend, at his house, with him, bei einem Freund. And notice, we say einem with em. Why? Because bei, meaning at, is a preposition that triggers always dative. So it triggers the dative articles and endings. And Freund is actually der Freund, but the masculine dative article is dem with an em. So we carry on the same ending. Bei einem Freund. How would you say I spent the night at the friend?